Sounds of Decay 1. This is Blood Incantation. Absolute Elsewhere. Space has long been touted as the final frontier.
I puke into your darkened void.
A cold, mysterious, uninhabitable place where apparently no one can hear you scream. This Denver, Colorado quartet have been delving into the perils of this great and terrible void since 2011. The horror and dangers of known and unknown threats, dreamed up by sci-fi lovers everywhere in popular books and movies, makes perfect fodder for death metal lyrics. Blood Incantation are equally known to be an extreme metal outfit who can bend and blend multiple musical stylings to make something completely new and different, creating, in effect, their own frontier to explore.
Absolute Elsewhere is no exception as we soar through the cosmos of melodic tremolo death metal, over blast beats flowing into moments of 70s prog, 80s synths, smooth jazz, like a trip to the edge of the Milky Way and back again. The title is taken from the 70s prog collective, so there are hints at the planets we are going to visit in this journey. Put on your seatbelt and strap in. It's bound to be trippy. These 6 tracks are mostly in the 5 to 7 minute range, the exception being the epic closer with the runtime of over 13 minutes.
Let's enter the Stargate. The Stargate Tablet 1, a brief video game sliding loop, introduces the drums of Isaac Falk, pounding us into the fray, and the distorted guitar of Paul Riedel and Morris Kolentiersky rising together in a quick, melodic death metal riffing. The vocals of Riedel are a sepulchral growl. Pretty soon, all drops but some jazzy tap drums and boppy synths. From here, we enter a proggy patch that continues to pound percussively, but adds in repeated mellow guitar, eventually breaking into a thin, Steely Dan style guitar solo full of slides and vibrato.
Egg.
The track comes full circle, bringing back the frantic death metal oscillating guitar and adding in a second gloriously whiny guitar line over blast beats, while the bass of Jeff Barrett adds a diabolical edge. The track fades to echoey ambient noise. I think I know what an acid trip feels like now.
Are you feeling in the air? Stowing away the time. We already had a Steely Dan geek out on this channel. Yeah. As soon as the instrumental, the Stargate Tablet 2 started, I was instantly reminded by the synthesizer melody of the 80s soundtrack to Risky Business. It turns out that made sense because Tangerine Dream's Thorstein Quaishing, who guests on this track, was responsible for both. The dreamlike synth continues as old sci-fi movie sample voices are layered on top. It mellows further before a harp-like acoustic guitar over tullish flutes join in, adding simple percussion. The spell is broken by a screaming, reverberant guitar that just wails and wails. I'm pretty sure I saw Saturn's Rings at one point. Are you getting the idea of the groundbreaking mix on offer here? In contrast, the Message Tablet 1 starts off with rolls and fills, drums light and proggy, and guitar that wouldn't be out of place on a Rush album. The death metal stylings return, drum accelerating into blast beats, chaotic guitar, and that death and rattled vocal. Can you hear them calling your name? Can't you hear them? The voices calling your name, screaming so loud in the dark.
I think my favorite track, of course, is the one with the most dramatic moments of light and dark. The closer, The Message, Tablet 3. Distorted riffs and primal blasts knock you on your ass immediately. Rydell's deep growl is a satisfying and unnerving all at once. I love the pause before the wall of death inducing, and the wailing, reverberant guitar. I was thinking, this is the hardest track on the album, but then the shift occurs. Suddenly, we're out of the pit and transported to a quiet stream in the woods as a processional flute melody and a choir of bards somewhere emote. We drift back to progressive guitar and drums that eventually lead us back into the previous death pit styling. To close this beast, we transition into a church-like organ synth that plays until we hear a few thunderclaps roll in, ending with the white noise of rain. Whew, we made it back home. I need a glass of wine to counteract all the G-forces in that ride.
Yeah.
Blood Incantation is a band that refuses to be put into any one genre box and may be confounding to some death metal purists. I think you should step outside your comfort zone and explore the many places this track will take your mind to. There is a new definition of death metal because of pioneers like this. You could say it's one small step out of genre constraints and one giant leap for extreme music fans.
Hey, how about some music on the ship's hi-fi? Hey, no Mel Torme. The cat owes me some bread. This song is called The Message, Tablet 3.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.